cat today. This is my friend Pony. We are best friends. He likes to hold on to my ear, and that's how we play. He's going to join us today. I think we have a lot of C's to draw. Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Fowler. Let's get that printing book ready. We are going to find page 14 today. Page 14. We are moving right along. Block that light so you guys. It's very distracting, right? All right, so on page 14, we are about to start learning all our lowercase letters. But before we do, there are some letters that you don't really need to learn because they are the same as their capital counterparts. Is that in your way? I hope you guys can't see that. Maybe you can. So let me get it out of the way. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start with the letter C. The letter C, the capital and the lowercase, are exactly the same. C! Oh, Magic C. He's so silly. He loves his letter. So we're going to start in the center. We're going to curve down and bump the line. Now, when we do the lowercase version, you are bumping both lines. So start at the top line, bump the bottom. So one more time with the big one. We're practicing bumping the lines. Big one and bump. Little one starts and bumps. Please finish across the page and go ahead and write it by yourself here. Once you've written the letter, the big one and the little one, bump. You can check if you think you did a good job. So does my big C look right? Yep. Does my little C look right? Did I bump the lines? Yes, I did. You can't see that check. So let's do that with all the letters. So O goes in the middle. Bump the line back up. Little o stays right inside the two lines. Be careful with your O's. We don't want them to go too big. We don't want them to be too little. Okay? Bump your lines. Again, try it over here on your own. Check if you bumped your lines and your letters look like the books. S. We are going down and you will start your curve right where that first line is. So see where that line is? Now I'm going the other way. The little s again has to stay between the lines. So bump and bump the bottom. Check yourself here. Make sure you practice before you do the check. V for Fowler. Yay! Come down, bump the line, sharp back up. Little v stays in the lines, bump and bump again. Practice, practice, check your work. Last letter, W. You are coming down. Go back up even with the dot. See, I go right back up in line with the dot. Bump and up in line again. Now the W lowercase bumps a lot. It's a very bumpy letter. Ready? Watch. Bump, 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 bump. All right. So friends, practice, 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 check. Practice, 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 check. If you see something wrong, like here, where I was showing you those letters that I just made a mistake on, use your eraser. Try again. All right, good luck, everyone. I think Magic C and his friend might want to say goodbye. Wonder if Magic C's ears hurt. That cool horse he's hanging on. Bye, friends. See you next time. Bye.